Hi everyone, welcome to WIGSTUDIO1. My name is Christy. I'm wigging with Christy. I'm one of the reviewers here for the WIGSTUDIO1 team, and I'm also a push hair ambassador for WIGSTUDIO1. Today I'm bringing you a review of one of our push pieces. This is not new. This has been out for a few months, but it's new to me. I have not had this piece. This is Vivien and Mocha with Cream. So I'm really excited to showcase this to you, and I'm gonna unpart it. We're gonna look at it inside and outside. So make sure you watch this video into its entirety. I'm gonna try to keep this sweet, but also educational. So down below is a link of how you can get Vivien at our website. It is an exclusive design. Push Hair is our in-house brand. So you can only find this wig with WIGSTUDIO1.com. Now let's say maybe you want to have a little bit more education on what does the push hair collection offer. We have a full variety of styles. We have new styles coming out. We have different fiber types, different cap constructions. So there is a way where you can connect and we can do a consultation with you for free. We can do it over the phone or via video chat and help you decide on what might be the best piece for you and the colors. So down below in this video will be a book your free push hair consultation. You can click that link and we'll get you scheduled, and we look forward to connecting with you, and you'll be having those with me. Now at the end of those consultations, you'll be provided an exclusive discount code to use on push hair. So you make sure you want to book that consultation so you get that discount code. So Vivien is a beautiful style. It's a left monofilament part, so I'll show that to you. I haven't uncrisscrossed it yet. It has a temple to temple lace front with that beautiful light color coming all the way to the front. So on some of our new, on our new styles with push hair, they're actually coming with a full mono top. Vivien has a left monofilament. Let's go ahead and uncrisscross this. Just want to make sure I'm getting in that part line where you don't get too far over and see those wefts. So what I always do is I just bring my wig comb over. I might have to work with that a little bit off the face and so I can see a little bit better. But you got a wide left monofilament part, so you can go over. I'm just trying to be careful because it's now wet. So once you get your part where you want it, then you can, if you want it off the face, spritz, lay it back with your palm. You can also do a heat press as well. I'm not wearing a wig grip at this moment. And lift and get off the face. Now Vivien offers some beautiful layers and waves, beautiful long layers where you can easily style this up off the face and use some of these for a great beautiful updo. For permatease, I feel a tiny bit at some of those wefts. I will say this, in my other push pieces I haven't noticed permatease, but I do notice just a sliver on this piece, but you kind of need that for these waves and curls. Now it's one of those type of permatease where it's not going to make it, you're not going to feel for it and find it unless you dig for it and awaken those permatease up. So it's a good ear tuck too, very good density. I would say this is a medium to low density. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It feels very natural. I love how the push feels, the density of the pieces. Okay, so let's take a look at this cap construction of Vivien. She has an extended lace front, left monofilament top, no extended nape there with the boss strap pull adjusters. This color, Mocha with Cream, is a 2R 613 36, a rich darkest brown root with a blend of dark chocolate brown and cinnamon, along with milk chocolate, cool blonde, and light blonde highlights. So what was your thoughts on Vivien in Mocha with Cream? Beautiful color. I love the dimension of this color. Probably one of the most dimensional brunettes that we offer Vivien in. It has some warm tones and some cool tones in it, but definitely I would say it's going to be kind of like a warmer color in my opinion. I love how you can just style this, and I usually will clip it into a weft if I need a little bit more purity. But look at this beautiful style that you can get. It's not going to be perfect, but you get what I'm saying. Cute, easy, half up, off the face. You can use these layers, or you can put them back if you don't want anything on your face as well. Well, we hope you enjoyed this review of Vivien by Push Hair, exclusive design by WIGSTUDIO1.com. Down below is how you can get Vivien. We hope you have a great day. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and connect with us on all our social medias. We have a Facebook group of over 25,000 people called WIGSTUDIO1 Wig and Topper Support Group. We'd love to connect with you. Have a great day.